This is probably the best travel combo. If I had to pick up just one camera and one lens for travel, this would be it. The Sony a6700 and Sigma 18 to 15mm f2.8, compact, powerful and crazy versatile. Whether you're shooting stunning landscapes, street photography, videography, cinematic videos, vlogging, this setup delivers. Why the Sony a6700? Well, this camera gives you insane value for the price. Shoots in 10-bit 422, perfect for high quality video and color grading. You get 4K in 24, 30, 60 and even 120 FPS with a slight crop. Includes popular picture profiles like S-Cinetone, which gives you beautiful cinematic color straight out of the camera. And for those who want full control in post, there is S-Log free, offering incredible dynamic range. Autofocus is next level thanks to Sony's latest AI. And don't forget, it's compact, weather sealed and durable, ready for any adventure. With its 26 megapixel APS-C sensor, this thing takes seriously beautiful stills. Great detail, sharpness and dynamic range. Whether you are capturing golden hour mountain shots or handheld street photography. It supports burst shooting up to 11 frames per second. So it is pretty handy when you're trying to capture action or wildlife moments. Pair it with Sigma 18 to 50mm f2.8 and you have got a setup that handles everything. Portraits, landscapes, street photography, architecture, all in one lens. The camera has also in-body stabilization, which helps you to get a sharper handheld shots. Why the Sigma 18 to 50 f2.8 lens? Yeah, come on guys, you can't beat this. It's so small, look, it's nothing, it weighs nothing, it's so compact and it's cost not that much. I mean, you can get it for quite a reasonable price. And it covers an incredibly useful range, like 18mm from wide landscapes and up to 50mm so for tighter shots and portraits and so on. Also a constant f2.8 aperture. It gives you pretty good low light performance, also a creamy bokeh. And it's really light and compact lens, and look at this thing, how you can love this. It's perfect for travel. And together, when you pair it up with the Sony a6700, it's a beast setup. You can get pro level footage, pictures, which easily fits in a small sling or backpack. And you don't need to carry a bunch of extra lenses and gear. This duo does it all. So if you are looking for a compact setup that can do pretty much everything, shoot stunning stills, cinematic videos, and handle pretty much any challenges, the Sony a6700 and Sigma 18 to 50mm f2.8 might just be the best travel combo out there. Lightweight, reliable, and professional. This setup I would take anywhere. So, thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up, leave a comment, what other setups you like or it might be better than this. Personally, I love this setup, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.